In a quiet town, Alex battles late nights and a fading confidence, determined to rewrite his weight loss story. He swaps sugary snacks for balanced meals and starts lifting, cardio, and steady progress that slowly reshapes his days. Friends doubt him, yet a supportive coach teaches patience, celebrating tiny victories that compound into real strength and resilience. Months later, his reflection reveals muscle, endurance, and a confidence that inspires neighbors to chase healthier versions of themselves. This episode honors every obstacle overcome and invites viewers aged 16 to 60 to join the journey towards sustainable fitness.